Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add Twitter name on your TradingView account from your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to add your Twitter name on your TradingView account from your phone, first open up your TradingView app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. And after opening your TradingView account app, guys, you'll land on this interface where you can see the trail line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen where there is the three lines, and you land over here where you can see your username at the top of the screen. Tap on your username at the top of the screen, and again on this interface you'll be able to see the pen icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the pen icon, and on this interface, guys, you can see the place where you can enter your Twitter name. Enter your Twitter name, guys, and remember to tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. And with that being done, your edits will be saved. And guys, this is how to add your Twitter name on your TradingView account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.